Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. In our last class, we discussed about the Brevo, which is an email marketing tool. We already, I have shown how to create the account on Brevo and everything. So in this class, I'm going to teach the how to create the template. So go to the marketing, okay, marketing. So here you have to select as a template. Okay, template. I'm going to start with the template. So the template I haven't created in my last class. Okay, just I show you how to create designs. Okay, so here you can see here there's a create template. Click on it. Okay, now you are coming on this point. Okay, this point, what you're going to do is here it's asking the template name and subject line. So that is very important stuff. Let's take up the example of the document. So this is the email content we have created from our content writers. So here you can see these are the emails for who registered on that particular webinar. We have to that name we have getting here. The okay, we are getting the name here. The name. Okay, so this is email subject. We have to specify the subject over here. This is subject. Copy this and paste on it. This one should be more attractive. Curious about IT, it expert guidance live free for our friendly Twitter. So that is a very base text. Okay, so you have to get the text like this. Okay, so now after that, what you are going to do is we have to get the this is header. Header means this is a template. This is Java placed on the Java core Java webinar. Okay, so here they are curious about that what is the meaning of this is the heading of the template. So this one should be subline. This is the things we are curious about to click about. Okay, when the person come to read their emails, first go to the check that email title along with the subject line. Okay, so that's it. That's the things we have to do it. Here after that go to the design tab. Here we are. There are many designs are there. You have to go along with the custom as well. So here you can go to here they are layouts, the template gallery. If you are going to launch any new products, e-commerce website like this, you can go along with this template as well. You can see here there are many templates are there. My template, code. Okay, there are many templates are there. You have here also you can design the code and you have to implement it over here. Okay, now I have to get it done by choose one of these. Okay, so I am going to get this layout. Okay, this layout. I'm going to go to the from the scratch. Start from the scratch means starting that webinar from the scratch. Okay, simply we have to create the webinar. It's coming here like this. Okay, so content, everything is a text. You can write the text and everything here. You can create the text. So you can export the text. You can just this one drag in and everything. Drop it. You have to select the text. You have to select as 14. It should be the size is fine. So you can adjust the size which you want. Okay, just look like this way you can do it. Okay, after that I need this one. I just copy this, paste on it here. Okay, this is how we have do the template design. Or you can say this is how we have the template will be out to your email. Okay, when you promote this one, you can go to email. Look like this way. Just this one, bottom of this, cut off this, can go below this one. Perfect. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is okay. All things are fine. Now what I'm going to do is I want to go to the next one. Here, if you don't need the image, you can select here below you can create the image, whatever image we have it. Regarding the webinar, you can insert the image. Okay, so if you want to insert the logo, you can get the logo. Okay, everything's are there. Okay, if you want to implement the HTML code is there. So here you can here you can see this everything. You can second one. I'm going to copy this one. I enter this one. I don't have any image. I'm going to not implement it, so I'm going to delete them here like this. I want to drag in the text again. Here this moment I'm going to paste it on this one. You have to highlight it correctly. Okay, so that's how we have to do it. Okay, this is extra page. You have to backspace to remove the extra page. Now it take care of it. Okay, this is how we have to do the things. Okay, so here you have a section wise. If you have implemented the different section, you can see, check on it. There's a templates are there. Okay, if you have any promotion, these are going on. You just drag and drop it below. You can implement the images over here. You have to display here the anything else. Okay, this is a course, Java course, something like that. Okay, this is just a webinar, so I'm going to promote any Java, any courses. You have to implement the respective images over here. Here you have to add the respective prices based on the course. What is the course where you are going to selling? What is the price of that course? You can easily write off here. Okay, it's very simple. You have to add the price as well when you implement the courses. Okay, so there are a lot of choices. Okay, you can get them. The section here there are 3 column section. Also this one also you can drag it. If you are going to move into your email, what is the you are selling some products to the customer. These are the products. Also you can choose the image. You click on it here where you can get, imagine this is your product image. You click on it. Okay, click on it. It is insert. It is insert here. It will be there. Okay, this is how you have to insert the images. Okay, so this here also the same thing. You can insert the image. Okay, so this is how we can add the prices of the products. This is how you can do it. Simple, very simple. This is how you can do it the things well. It is very simple. So you have to do the things what I am showing here. Okay, very simple. This is how we have implement the email template. Okay, this everything are there. You can get it from the template design. You can see this one should be here everything are there, logo and everything are there. This is the footer part. With the footer, finally we need a footer of the part. Okay, so you have to drag the footer, put it over here. The footer also there. The company name here, the social media if you want. You have to select this one and you can use the Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, all the links of your company here. Okay, all the links based on your social media. Okay, social media links related on the social media you can use here. Okay, all the things you can do it. Unsubscribe this must. Okay, what we are going to, what is the purpose of automatically the unsubscribe link will be showing here is when you are sending the email unsubscribe, you must implement the unsubscribe link. Okay, so that is must. Okay, that is the purpose. Okay, so here we don't have a heading and everything. So you can see here here you can go to the section. You can see some other template here. The promotion, if you are willing to do the promotion, you can drag it and drop your promo. All things you have to implement it over here. Here this one you can logo and all your company logo. You can add this is the header. This is the header section here. These are the header section. The header section also implemented above here. It's coming here. Here you can implement your logo of the company over here. Under the logo you can implement it like this. Okay, so here that's different sections are there. You can get it. Okay, here this simply here this is some footer section like this here. Empty columns, paste. There's a lot of things available. You can drag and drop it and you can do the email templates well. Here you can, if you want to change the text, you will be able to change it, whatever you can add it. Okay, you can bold the text, send everything, you can do it by here. Increase the letter size and everything. Okay, you have to bold it, click on it. If you want to bold everything, you can do it over here. Very simple. Okay, control B, it can bold. Okay, it's already bold. If you need a bold, you just like your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, like a MS collection, but the shortcut key you are using the same shortcut key, that same shortcut key also they are implemented over here, because these all the documents are based on the Word type. So the words what are the shortcut keys you are using on the Office package, the same shortcut key you will be able to use this document as well. Okay, the same thing you have to implement it over here, so that you don't bother about all the things, shortcut keys and all. You can whatever shortcut key you are used on the Word document and all, the same shortcut key you are implemented over here. That's the thing. Okay, this is nicely we can done the email template here like this. Okay, this over here, this is a just sample I have done it. You can do it the here go along with these blocks, videos also you can implement it, everything are there. Section and save. Okay, they all the things. All the after done the stuff, you have to quit, save and quit. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. Okay, save and quit. You can save and quit. This is your email address. Okay, so this how we have made the email template design. This email template design you can use it over here marketing campaign run. Then how to run the campaign we can see in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.